Confesso que eu fiquei um pouquinho curioso. Eu confesso que eu fiquei um pouquinho curioso quando eu vi a imagem ali, falando dos jatos, dos jatos mais caros do mundo. Não dá pra botar em português? Esse é curtinho, 7 minutos. Eu confesso que eu fiquei curioso, porque eu vi a cara do bagulho ali, muito sincera. Vamos ver.
Jets in the world. The private jet industry is one of the most competitive industries in the world. There are many people who can afford to buy a private jet for their own
A mim, o
use.
cara que compra um jato é um otário. Tá logo dado o papo.
And there are also those who cannot afford this luxury and only fly on a commercial airline. The following list contains 5 of the most expensive private jets currently in operation and what they offer to those that fly them. Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already,
vai comprar um jato pra quê, irmão? Tem um otário. Aluga essa porra, deixa que outro babaca cuida da manutenção, que compra essa merda. Você só fala assim, irmão, deixa eu falar, tu vai usar o teu jato depois de amanhã? Não, então eu pago aqui pra você, pô. Eu pago aqui esses 3 dias aqui, a diária. Porra, aluga. Doideira isso.
So that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Number 5, Boeing 757. $100 million.
757
não é um comercial? Boeing 757 with a price tag of $100 million.
Eu falei que era otário. O que eu falei? Que tinha que ser um otário quem comprou o Donald Trump.
On our list, there's nothing modest about this 43-seater private aircraft owned by Donald Trump.
Lá, quando eu falei que o otário compra, não precisou de muito tempo, né? Não precisou de muito tempo, né?
Expense to make living aboard as pleasant.
Cara, esse dá sacanagem. É o que falou o Bacon maneiro aqui. Ó a laranja. Cara, esse bronzeamento artificial que o Donald Trump faz, lembra muito aquelas porra que a gente vê em programas de televisão, que é um jato, tá ligado? Que deixa a pessoa queimada na hora, tanned, como eles falam lá, aquele laranjado bizarrão, né?
Convenient as possible, while flying 40,000 feet above the surface of the planet. The plane is powered by Rolls-Royce engines and is outfitted with the most up-to-date technical technology, including a personal television screen for each set and a built-in multiplex cinema system with a library of more than 1,000 movies and 2,500 CDs. There's also a lot of gold, including 24-karat plated seatbelts and the family insignia, which is emblazoned on almost everything. The sofas in the guest room may be converted into a bed for additional comfort.
Gostei não.
The luxury aircraft was once a commercial 757, which made it big enough to transport more than 200 people comfortably. The inside has leather couches, walnut tables, and cupboards, as well as a dining room, guest room, and home theater. Awarded the title Fastest Jet by the International Air Transport Association, it is capable of reaching speeds of 500 miles per hour, owing to its 2 Rolls-Royce RB211 turbofan engines. Number 4, Gulfstream 3, $125 million. Tyler Perry, an American actor, producer, and director, owns the 4th most costly aircraft on our list, which is the Gulfstream G550. The Gulfstream 3,
esse é o Like a G. É esse? Esse é o... Como é que era mesmo? Like a G6, não era isso? Como é que era aquela música mesmo? Like a G... Acho que é esse. Então é essa aeronave aqui, não é isso? Like a G6, like a G6. Então é essa, imagino. Ou algo parecido com essa.
$65 million has now received extensive improvements, making it worth almost twice as much as it was when it was first purchased. The huge cabin capacity of 38 cubic meters was eventually turned into a flying theater by himself. With a 42-inch LED screen, iPod docking stations, a satellite TV, and theatrical lighting with electrically controlled
aí já é um pouquinho mais maneira.
window blinds, several Blu-ray players, and en-suite bathrooms in the VIP cabins, they have done an excellent job of furnishing the inside of the plane. Gulfstream, which is powered by 2 Rolls-Royce Spey turbofan engines, can cruise at maximum altitude of 903
imaginando o cara comprar um bagulho desse, quantas vezes por ano ele usa?
Mano, thrust of 7,402.98 kilometers per hour. There are also formal dining and lounge facilities, as well as a VIP bathroom and contemporary kitchen on board the plane. Number 3, Boeing 747-8 VIP. $367 million.
Ninguém tem esse avião.
The Boeing 747-8 VIP is the world's longest and second largest aircraft, and it's currently in production. There's a $367 million beginning price tag on this aircraft, and that's before any of the luxurious features are built into this turbojet. The owner chooses to remain anonymous, yet the property is expensive but fashionable, and the information is available to the public. The best materials have been used in the construction.
Ou seja, o malandro comprou o bagulho e não quer que ninguém saiba, tá ligado?
Of the private jet's cabin. A stateroom with its own lounge and 2 separate lounges are among the many amenities.
Pô, pra que tu tem, tipo assim, pra que tu tem casa se tu tem um avião desse? Sem sacanagem. Tu mora nessa porra. Tu mora igual tu mora num trailer, porra. Só que ao invés de tu morar num trailer, tu mora num avião. Tá ligado? Ao invés de tu morar num trailer, num estacionamento fudido no meio dos Estados Unidos, tu mora dentro dessa porra desse teu avião. Melhor coisa que tu faz, porra. Tem um bagulho que é pica. Caralho. Aí tu vai comprar uma casa, aí o cara tem essa porra, ainda tem uma casa, que o cara não usa nada, então. Porra.
In the world can't compete with. There's a spacious office with a large conference room that is well equipped, a magnificent dining room that is ideal for the most opulent of dining occasions. Former owners of the aircraft include Hong Kong business magnate Joseph Lau. This aircraft has also been chosen to be the future Air Force One.
O futuro Air Force One aí.
380, $500 million.
Mas eu achei que era tudo avião do malandro. Tem isso aí. Os caras têm.
In the world belongs
Só esses caras pra ter isso aí.
Prince Alawid bin Talal.
Alawid bin Talal
owns an Airbus A380 that cost more than $500 million US. Even the aircraft's 550 square meter interior has been luxuriously outfitted with a music hall and Turkish bath on board, as well as storage space and a stable for transporting horses and camels. Not to mention the magnificent throne of the prince, as well as a
Mano, também o cara vai fazer essa viagem nesse trono aqui, ó.
Horses and camels. Not to mention the magnificent throne of the prince, as well as a prayer chamber that can be rotated to face Mecca from any direction. In its commercial configuration, the double-decker jumbo jet can accommodate 853 passengers. However, the buyer, Prince Al-Walid bin Talal, was said to have spent an additional $100 million to $150 million to outfit the plane to his exacting standards and transport no more than 100 people. However, it seems that the prince has sold the aircraft before it is even taken to the air to an anonymous millionaire.
O cara ainda ganhou dinheiro. O cara gastou uma nota e ainda ganhou dinheiro vendendo pro outro otário que comprou antes do bagulho sair do chão. Vai tomar no cu. Eu chego à conclusão que é uma doideira, né? Achar que milionário é otário, né? Como é que o cara é bilionário e otário? O cara é bilionário, pô.
Who is keen to avoid being placed on the waiting list for the world's second largest private jet. Number 1, Air Force One, $660 million. Despite the fact that Air Force One is only a call sign for any air force that carries the president, the phrase is widely used to refer to 2 Boeing 747s with the United States of America inscribed on the side. Air Force One, the current presidential aircraft, has become well known thanks to its numerous appearances on television and in movies, as well as on cable news channels.
Air Force One com Harrison
Ford. Air Force
One
is a 4,000 square foot triple-decker. All passengers would be able to extend their legs comfortably. The aircraft is capable of reaching a top speed of 650 miles per hour, mini hospital on board with physicians and an operating room in case of a medical emergency. An earthquake, a meteor, even a nuclear war can't damage the airplane. Flares, electronic countermeasures, and radar jamming are all available in the event of an attack. With 85 phones, 238 miles of electrical cable, 19 TVs, a variety of computer connections, fax machines, and two-way radios, Air Force One features advanced communication equipment. 100 people can be fed in 2 fully equipped kitchens. Terrorists might use this location as an operational command center. Priority is always given to Air Force One above all other planes. However, this has little effect on commercial air travel since this jet normally flies into and out of U.S. military airports. 100 passengers and 26 crew members may be accommodated on board the jet. So there you have it, the 5 most expensive.
Eu achei que ia ser uma parada diferente. Curti muito o vídeo, não. Porque fica de papinho comigo, fica de graçola. Porra, quer meter o Air Force One pra mim. Tô achando que o cara ia falar aqui da porra dos aviões particulares, o cara quer meter a porra do Air Force One. Aí é foda, né? Aí é outra pegada, patrão. É outro bagulho, tá ligado? Não é isso. Isso é outra parada. Então o cara que tá... Americano é foda mesmo. Os caras são tudo doentes. Sem sacanagem.